Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a keto friendly burger using portobello mushrooms as the bun replacement. Alright, so we got our ground beef right here, 73% fat, 27% lean, garlic powder to season it, as well as Bragg's organic sprinkle herbs and spices seasoning. Also, don't forget the sea salt. You're gonna need it. And now we're just gonna put as much as needed first time around. We're gonna do this a second time. Added some sea salt at this time, but I'm also gonna apply some more later. And then we're gonna mix it all up or mash it together, make sure those spices go everywhere on the burger. And then, as I said, we're gonna put more spices, salt, and garlic powder. What would also go good with this would be some black pepper, but I didn't have it at the time. Alright, so we're gonna make a ball, evenly, spread it out, and then I flatten it out. Basically, only gonna show you me making one. And then there's the second one. We got the non-stick pad. Place the first patty on this. There's the Portobella caps. We're gonna open it and we're gonna prepare those. There's a Portobello caps. We're gonna cut the stems off because that's gonna be hard trying to put it together when those things are gonna be really tall. Be careful when cutting the stems off because you don't want to make any wrong movements and cut the whole thing off or cut a piece of it off, so do it gentle and preferably use the tip of the knife so the cut could be more precise. And then this is ghee. We're going to use ghee to spread over the Portobello caps on the bottom. You could use like a paintbrush type of thing, but I didn't have one, so I just used my fingers. I did wash my hands though, in case you're wondering. And then we put coconut oil on the pan that we're gonna put the Portobello caps on. Spread it around. I applied some more butter right here to the Portobello cap, the second one, just for that taste and so it could not stick. Put some on the top too, because when we're gonna flip them over, I don't want the other top to burn. As you see, they look not so burnt, but they're getting a darkish color. These don't really take that long to cook, so after like 4 to 5 minutes they should be done. And here's the mayo. We're gonna spread this on the Portobello cap on the bottom because mayo is also keto friendly. And that's how I spread it around there. We're gonna push down on the burger. Let it sit for a while. The burger was very thick, so it took a while to make. And we're gonna put some lettuce. I didn't have a lettuce head. I just had lettuce from a salad, so it works just as good. So right now I'm gonna cut open a little piece incision to see if it's ready, and it looked ready to me at the time, so I'm gonna turn it off and then drain a little bit of the excess oil. Now we're preparing the burger. So put the patty on top, push down on it, because it's gonna be very like puffy. Here's some spicy mustard. I did not use ketchup because ketchup isn't so keto friendly. Some sugars in there. Push down on the burger after putting the cheese in to decrease the weight of it, so you'll be able to bite into it. It looks pretty big, I know. One thing you can use or do is make the patty less bigger, make it more thinner. After taking a bite, it looked and tastes so well. There it looks. It's like the third bite in, and honestly, this was like the best thing ever.